Reliable, durable, and customizable. Hello boss, this is Darren. The water tank is a very important component for a truck when in long-term transportation. But how do you activate it? Let me show you. This is the location of the water tank where the water is stored. And we're gonna refill the water. Just link the tube into this hole. And this slim hole in case when the water tank in maximum capacity and the extra water gonna drain out from here. This is the pump and the valve of the water tank. After the power switch on, they are start working now. After the zero, let's talk about the procedures. First step, turn on the power switch. Second step, just press this button. Then the water gonna spray on the brake drum and the wheel rim. If you wanna recover it, just press back. So this is the all step of the water tank usage. We are Hubei off-road special vehicle. If you want to know more knowledge of the trucks, subscribe our channel.